UGC NET JRF exam History Solved Paper December 2015 Paper 2. Note: this paper contains 50 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. In India, the earliest archaeological remains of earth has been found from A. Bilasurgam, B. Hunsgi, C. Bhimbetka, D. Mahagara. And the answer is option A. Bilasurgam. Question number 2. From where in South Asia the earliest evidence of wheat barley farming has been found? A. Punjab, B. Baluchistan, C. Sindh, D. Rajasthan. And the answer is option B. Baluchistan. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. Rahigari, Middletown, B. Harappa, Cemetery, H. C. Mohenjo-daro, Cemetery, R37. D. Kalibangan, burial of male and female. And the answer is option C. Mohenjo-daro, Cemetery, R37. Question number 4. Match list 1 Harappan site with list 2 archaeological remains and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Mohenjo-daro, inscribed bronze axe. Harappa, bronze chariot. Lothal, ivory scale. Banawali, inscribed terracotta plough. Question number 5. Which of the following Aryan deities have been invoked in the Bojakoi inscription from Asia Minor? A. Agni, Rudra, Soma. B. Indra, Surya, Vishnu. C. Rudra, Marut, Pushan, Bhagam. D. Indra, Nasatya, Mitra, Varuna. And the answer is option D. Indra, Nasatya, Mitra, Varuna. Question number 6. In India, from where the earliest evidence of Bhojpatram, a well-known writing material in India, has been found? A. Kaushambi, B. Hastinapur, C. Atrazikhera, D. Sringavarpur. And the answer is option D. Sringavarpur. Question number 7. Which of the following is a Sanhita of Suklaya Jurveda? A. Kataka, B. Maitrayaniya, C. Taitriya, D. Vajasanai. And the answer is option D. Vajasanai. Question number 8. Which of the following states of South India was mentioned in Megasthenes Indica? A. Chera, B. Pandya, C. Satyaputta, D. Chola. And the answer is option B. Pandya. Question number 9. From where the largest apsidal shrine of Indian subcontinent is discovered? A. Sirkshuk, B. Sirkap, C. Kaushambi, D. Anuradhapur. And the answer is option B. Sirkap. Question number 10. Who among the following was the president of third Sangam? A. Irudayar, B. Tripurameritha, C. Nakirar, D. Mudinagarayar. And the answer is option C. Nakirar. 11. Which of the following dynasties in India introduced date on their coins for the first time? A. Indo-Greek, B. Indo-Scythians, C. Kushans, D. Kardamaka Shaka. And the answer is option D. Kardamaka Shaka. 12. Bayana hoard contained the coins of Gupta dynasty from A. Chandragupta 1 to Buddhagupta, B. Chandragupta 1 to Skandagupta, C. Chandragupta 2 to Vishnugupta, D. Chandragupta 2 to Kumargupta 3. And the answer is option B. Chandragupta 1 to Skandagupta. 13. Which of the following inscriptions mention the evidence of Sun Temple? A. Aihole, B. Mandasore, C. Iran, D. Banskera. And the answer is option B. Mandasore. 14. Which of the following dynasties in India had not issued their own coins? A. Chalukya, B. Pallavas, C. Rashtrakuta, D. Chola. And the answer is option B. Pallava. 15. Who among the following was Samudragupta's contemporary ruler of Kanchi? A. Mahendra, B. Nilaraja, C. Vishnugupta, D. Ugrasena. And the answer is option C. Vishnugopa. 16. Which of the following places was famous for cotton trade in Chola country? A. Kaveri Patnam, B. Nandipura, C. Urayur, D. Tanjore. And the answer is option C. Urayur. 17. Who among the following authors is known for his satires exposing the evils of the contemporary society? A. Basha. B. Bhavabuthi. C. Shemendra. D. Sriharsha. And answer is option C. Shemendra. 18. Who compiled Nat-e Muhammadi, a biography of the Prophet Muhammad? A. Amir Kubut. B. Minhaj Siraj. C. Shamsi Siraj Afif. D. Ziauddin Barani. And the answer is option D. Ziauddin Barani. 19. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose correct answer from the codes given below. Barbak, Chamberlain, Wakil Idhar, Minister in charge of the royal household, Sari Jandar, Commander of Bodyguard, Kevani, Pavilion Bearer. 20. Which of the following is not correct? A. With the establishment of the Sultanate, the older system or systems were not immediately eliminated but continued to function, though with the superimposition of the demands of a new ruling class. B. The rebellious territories were called Mawas. C. Alauddin's method of land revenue assessment and collection was very close to what was called Kankut in later times. D. Two chroniclers, namely Bharani and Yahya, give different ways in which increase in the scale of agrarian taxation was brought out by Muhammad Tughlaq. Yahya says that new additional imports, abwab, were levied on the peasantry, and Bharani says that the three major taxes were more vigorously assessed and collected, and the answer is option D. 21. Who is the author of the following statement? It may be that among Indian states, the Vijayanagara state does come closest to some form of feudalism, but the differences between this war state and others in Europe and Japan to which the label feudal has been applied are so fundamental that the concept does not provide a useful framework for discussing the social order at that time. A. D.C. Sirkar. B. Nilakanta Shastri. C. A. Krishnaswamy. D. Burtonstein. And the answer is option D. Burtonstein. 22. Read the following passage. I visited the building of Mansingh and Vikramat Singh thoroughly. They are wonderful buildings, entirely hewn stone in heavy and unsymmetrical blocks. However, of all the Raja's building, Mansingh's is the best and loftiest. Who expressed these views after visiting the royal buildings of Gwalior? A. Babar. B. Akbar. C. Jahangir. D. Shah Jahan. And the answer is option A. Babar. 23. Which of the following causes has narrated the history of the first 19 years of the reign of Abdullah Qutub Shah 1626 to 72, which is more likely a diary of the Qutub Shahi court and gives account of the social life and the administration of the kingdom? A. Mir Rafi Uddin's Daskirat ul Muluk. B. Mirza Nizamuddin Ahmad Hakikat Usalatin. C. Mansaram's Mazir Nizami. D. Tabatabai Burhan-e Mazir. And the answer is option B. Mirza Nizamuddin Ahmad Hakikatu Salatin. 24. Under the Mughals, Peshaksh and Nazir were two distinct forms of offering presents to the emperor. Aurangzeb reorganized the terminology. Which of the following statement is not correct in this regard? A. All Peshkas in cash to be called Nazir. B. Niyaz should be used for the gifts of princes. C. Nizar should be used for the gifts of the nobles. D. Nazir was to be offered in thanksgiving, felicitous occasions of lesser importance. And the answer is option D. Nazir was to be offered in thanksgiving, felicitous occasions of lesser importance. 25. Which of the following is not correct about Indian technology under the Mughals? A. The world famous textiles were produced without the aid of multi-spindle wheels. B. The seagoing vessels did not have any modern nautical instruments except the astrolabe. C. The massive Mughal monuments were constructed with the help of such elementary aids as the wheelbarrow. D. Even such elementary objects as screws with proper grooves essential for most mechanical processes were not produced. And the answer is option C. The massive Mughal monuments were constructed with the help of such elementary aids as the wheelbarrow. 26. Term Chakla has been used in medieval Indian history sources. It means A. Identical to Pargana, B. Identical to Sarkar, C. Identical to Thappa, D. Territorial unit between Suba and Pargana but not necessarily identical to Sarkar. And the answer is option D. Territorial unit between Suba and Pargana but not necessarily identical to Sarkar. 27. Which of the following statement is not correct? A. In Khalisa Sarifa, the taxes were collected for the imperial treasury. B. The Jahirs were regularly transferred and an area might at one time be in the Khalisa and another time assigned in Jagir. C. Jamadami had no role in Jagir assignments. D. Mansabdars were assigned Jagirs in lieu of cash salary. And the answer is option C. Jamadami had no role in Jagir assignments. 28. Which of the following items presented by the English to the court of Jahangir was viewed as wonder of the Mongol? Wonder to the Mongol. A. Sea coal. B. Spectacles. C. Mechanical clock. D. Printed books in Arabic and Persian. And the answer is option A. Sea coal. 29. Regarding which of the following institutions Monucci makes the following impassioned reference? When any hungry wretch takes it into his head to ruin the kingdom, he goes to the king and says to him, Sire, if your majesty will give me the permission to raise money and a certain number of armed men, I will pay so many millions. A. Jahirdari, B. Ijaradhari, C. Jamindhari, D. Diwani, and the answer is option B. Ijaradhari. 30. Population of Mughal India is estimated by scholars using various variables. Which of the following statement is not correct in this regard? A. Moreland has estimated the population of Mughal India on the basis of extent of cultivated area, Arazi. B. Moreland has estimated the population of the Deccan and South India on the basis of civilian soldier ratio. C. Ashok V. Desai has estimated the population of Mughal India on the basis of total and per capita land revenue. D. Kingsley Davis has modified Moreland's figures of India's population from 100 million to 145 million, and the answer is option D. Kingsley Davis has modified Moreland's figures of India's population from 100 million to 145 million. 31. The attempt to extend Mughal administration over Golconda, Bijapur and Karnataka stretched the Mughal Empire to breaking point. Dash, perhaps Aurangzeb might have been better advised to accept the suggestion put forward by his eldest son Shah Alam for a settlement with Bijapur and Golconda, annex only a part of the territories and let them rule over Karnataka, which was far away and difficult to manage. These are the views of V. Jadunath Sarkar, B. Athar Ali, C. Satish Chandra, D. J.F. Richardson. The answer is option C. Satish Chandra. 32. What is not true about the Mughal court etiquettes? A. When the Darbar proceeding were on, nobles were not permitted to sit. B. In 1683, Aurangzeb issued an order that Mansabdars below the rank of 2000, when taking leave of the emperor, should not wait for Fatiha to be read. C. In 1693, Aurangzeb ordered that the color of the garments of the Umara should not be red. D. The nobles were to wear Nima Astin and wrap a shawl round their shoulders in the presence of the emperor. And the answer is option D. The nobles were to wear Nima Astin and wrap a shawl round their shoulders in the presence of the emperor. 33. Where did a school develop where manuscripts, including that of the dictionary Mifat-ul-Fuzala, were profusely illustrated? A. Bengal, B. Malwa, C. Gujarat, D. Deccan, and the answer is option B. Malwa. 34. Chronologically arrange the advent of European commercial companies into India. Option D. 1. Portuguese, 3. Dutch, 2. British, 4. French. 35. Consider the following statements relating to the military operations of County Lally in the Carnatic. 1. The home government instructed Lally to gradually penetrate inland. 2. To participate in the mutual quarrels of Indian princes to the best advantage of the French in India. C. To concentrate his efforts upon seizing the fortified stations of the English on the Indian coast. D. To introduce reforms which were deemed necessary for the company's administration. And the answer is option D. 3 and 4 are correct. 36. Between whom the Treaty of Bassein was signed in 1802. A. The Gaekwars of Baroda and the Marquis of Wellesley. B. Malharo Kolkar and Mountstuart Elphinstone. C. Peshwa Bajirao II and the Marquis of Wellesley. D. Raja Pratap Singh of Satara and Mountstuart Elphinstone. And the answer is option C. Peshwa Bajirao II and the Marquis of Wellesley. 37. Which of the following tribes did not form a part of the Coal Rebellion in 1832-33? A. Chouars, B. Hos, C. Bills, D. Munda. And the answer is option C. Bills. 38. Who among the following did not belong to the Baptist missionary group? A. William Carey, B. Montalembert, C. Joshua Mushman, D. William Ward. And the answer is option B. Montalembert. 39. Dayanand Saraswati was not against which of the following religious idea? A. Idolatry, B. Polytheism, C. Pantheism, D. Veneration of cow. And the answer is option D. Veneration of cow. 40. Identify among the following who was not an Orientalist. A. H.T. Colebrook, B. Charles Grant, C. William Carey, D. James Princeps. And the answer is option B. Charles Grant. 41. What constituted the crux of the drain theory highlighted by Dadabhai Nauroji? A. Abuse of trade practices by the merchants of the ruling race. B. Ill-gotten money taken from the princely rulers and remitted to England. C. Unrequited exports from India. D. Glutting of Indian markets with British manufactured goods. And the answer is option C. Unrequited exports from India. 42. Match the social movements mentioned in the list 1 with the regions mentioned in list 2 in which they were founded. Select the correct code given below. Paramhansa Mandhali, Maharashtra. Kayastha Sabha, Uttar Pradesh. Sarin Sabha, Punjab. Sri Narayan Dharma Paripalan Sabha, Kerala. 43. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Some held the view that under a socialist government, colonialism could play a positive civilizing role. Reason R. Such a view was often used by some section in the socialist movement to support the colonial policies of the respective governments. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? The answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 44. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. List 1. President of Indian National Congress. List 2. Year. Rahimatullah Sayani, 1896. Badruddin Tayabji, 1887. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, 1945. Nawab Said Muhammad, 1913. 45. Who authored the book The Indian Struggle 1935 to 1942? A. Lala Lajpat Rai. B. Motilal Nehru. C. Pattabhi Sitaramayya. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. And the answer is option D. Subhash Chandra Bose. 46. Which of the following was observed as the Direct Action Day by the Muslim League? A. 16 June 1946. B. 16th July 1946. C. 16th August 1946. D. 16th September 1946. And the answer is option C. 16th August 1946. 47. Which of the following rulers of larger states expressed their desire to remain independent as early as June 1947? A. Travancore and Bhopal. B. Jodhpur and Junagadh. C. Jaipur and Udaipur. D. Mysore and Baroda. And the answer is option A. Travancore and Bhopal. 48. Prose of Country Insurgency, which is regarded as a classic statement of the Subaltern school, was written by A. David Arnold. B. Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. C. Ranjit Guha. D. Dipesh Chakravarti. And the answer is option C. Ranjit Guha. 49. Who observed that just as Darwin discovered the law of development of organic nature, so Marx discovered the law of development of human history. A. Frederick Engels. B. A.J.P. Taylor. C. Charles A. Beard. D. A. Marvick. And answer is option A. Frederick Engels. 50. Consider the following statements concerning Indian national historiography. 1. It eagerly searched for national identity. 2. Emotional approach did not take over the place of reason. 3. The ideal of objectivity hardly became a casualty at the hands of nationalist historian. 4. There was glorification of ancient Indian past. Select the correct answer from the codes given below, and answer is option D. 1 and 4 are correct.